everyone. Now take sides like this and then secure it with the help of your rubber band, and with the extra hair in the bottom, what you have to do, you have to roll your hair in this way by taking partitions. What are we going to do? Let's see, and we are going to learn something new and something interesting. Now just secure your bun with the help of your clutches, and it will give you a different look, a unique style. Isn't it super amazing? Now let's see what are we going to make now. Here we are making a braid on side of the hair, and let's see what are we going to get in the end. Take the hairs out from either side of the hair, and this is going to give your hair a messy look, and this is going to look super duper amazing. Messy hairstyles are always favorite. Now secure it with the help of your clutches by taking the braids on either side, and this is going to give you a simple pretty look. Now let's see what are we going to make now. Take your hair in this way by making a beautiful bun-like structure in the middle, and let's see what are we going to get. This is going to give your hair a bouncy look, and you will look super amazing carrying it. Now make braids like this, make a pattern like this by taking small partitions of hair from the sides, and let's see what in the end are we going to get. Keep on making these patterns from one side and take it to another side as well, and in the end you are going to love your hair. Now secure it and make it in the form of a bun, and your lovely clutches are going to enhance it. Now again take 3 partitions of hair and make a beautiful pattern like this. Keep on making braids in the middle and wait for the end result. Keep on making from one end to the other. Now from either side you have to make a braid like this, and let's see, join them using a rubber band and then twist your hair like this and take it around in this way, and this is going to give you a unique different look. Isn't it looking amazing? Yes, absolutely. Now let's see what are we going to make now. Make braids from the side, secure with the clips, again do it other side also, and then secure it with the help of clip. Now let's see what are we going to do. Join them and then using a rubber band make it look like this. Now with middle hair, what are we going to do? Take partition like this, twist your hair in this way and take it to the other side, and this is going to give you a different look. Now secure your hair like this, and in the end you will going to get this result, and this is going to look super duper amazing. Isn't it looking amazing? Now again we are going to make some beautiful lovely patterns. Secure your hair in this way and roll your hair like this, and in the end you are going to this result, and this is going to look super duper amazing. Now make a ponytail, grab your hair like this, make your hair look like this, and then make braids from the middle and roll it and tackle it with the help of your clips. Again make some beautiful thin braids and look amazing and awesome.